Have you ever considered letting an AI avatar take over your videos? I almost did. I seriously considered Synthesia, an AI video platform, to create the Tooltester Newsletter videos. Imagine this, no cameras, no microphones, just an AI presenting, doing all the talking. Pretty wild, right? So why I didn't end up using Synthesia after all? Let's get started. Synthesia is an AI video creation platform that lets you generate videos fast, and some of the results are impressive. You just paste your script, give Synthesia a prompt, pick an AI avatar, a voice, and watch Synthesia produce the video in minutes. It even comes with an AI screen recorder to capture your screencast for demos, trainings, and so on. It also comes with the option to create personal custom avatars. Yes, you can get an AI version of yourself as a presenter, and an option to automatically translate or dub your videos over 100 languages. Synthesia relies a lot on AI, so the results are great sometimes and maybe not so great other times. Let's talk about the pricing. Synthesia offers a free plan that gives you up to 3 minutes of video generation per month. However, you won't be able to download the videos. You only get a shareable link, and they come watermarked with a Synthesia logo. The free plan is just a teaser to get you to test the platform. If you need more, there's the Starter plan, which is about $16 per month. Here you get a high allowance of minutes of video and AI credits each month. You can download your videos, and of course it removes the Synthesia watermark. For heavy users, there's the Creator plan, with more AI credits and video minutes and access to advanced features like API access or interactive videos. If you want to try Synthesia, please use the link in the description. That will help support our YouTube channel. Thanks. Alright, I'm going to create the first video with Synthesia. As part of the demo, we get to try the AI creator. What I want to do is create a video of Tokyo, top 5 things. I will say that I want a fast-paced video, and then we just create the video. Synthesia has this AI video assistant that I find quite helpful if you don't want hassle to start from a blank template. Synthesia is now creating the different scenes and even the script, and in a couple of minutes it's finished. Okay, I'm quite happy with the outline, so I'm just gonna go ahead and generate the video. I wanted to let you know about the newsletter I send every week with my favorite app recommendations, just like this one, to help you do more in less time and with my productivity tips. It's an awesome newsletter and totally free. Now back to the video. This year is finished with the video. Let's check it out.
Tokyo is a city of contrasts, where ancient temples stand beside futuristic skyscrapers. Wander through the vibrant streets of Shibuya and Shinjuku, where neon lights and bustling crowds create an unforgettable atmosphere.
You get the idea. The video, it's okay. Let's see if we can improve it with a couple of clicks. Let's go over to Edit, and this will allow us to change the scenes a little bit. First, let me tell you that you could regenerate the script here. If you wanted to change a line, you could just add it here. For example, now it will say traditions. You can also add different scenes from here. You can use one of the templates they have. Let's check now the editor a little bit. This first scene, it's a little bit dull. So why don't we add some media of Shibuya? And there you go, we do have some media. And I think this might work pretty well. We add this here and we will set it as the background. You can also change the avatar, by the way. If you don't like this avatar, you could have someone else. Maybe, why don't we get her? And I have to say, some avatars look better than others, so you will need to test a few. We could also change what is it in the background of the avatar. Why don't we try this one? It looks to me kind of like a Zen space. And then if we want it, we can change even the clothing of the avatar. There you go. Alright, now we have our custom avatar, and we can adjust it to fit our screen. And now we have a totally different video. You can also add text to your video, shapes, One cool thing is that you can also generate your own media. If you don't find stock images or video that suit your video, you could generate yours with AI. There is also a more traditional video editor, more similar to what you would find in Premiere Pro or Camtasia, but to be fair, it's quite limited. And I really think if you want to edit a lot your video, Synthesia won't be the solution for you. Finally, we can add some background music to our video. From here, we would just choose a song that matches our video. Once you're done with your edits, just click on Generate. Alright, it looks like Synthesia is finished. Let's check out the video.
Tokyo is a city of traditions, where ancient temples stand beside futuristic skyscrapers. Wander through the vibrant streets of Shibuya and Shinjuku, where neon lights and bustling crowds create an unforgettable atmosphere.
What did you think of the video? Let me know in the comments, please. All in all, Synthesia is a solid tool, especially if you need to crank out sales videos, internal training modules, or online courses quick. It delivers professional-looking results without having to have a studio. Of course, it's an AI platform, and that shows. Your videos can feel a bit artificial at times. I personally didn't end up using it for the Tooltester Newsletter. The editor felt a little bit too rigid, and the platform is heavily focused on AI avatars. Instead, I used the scripts. I have my reasons and I will share them in an upcoming video. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.